Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Yes, mobile mechanic.
Hi, how are you? I'm calling to see if you guys 2016 Traverse that needs a radiator hose replaced.
Yes, ma'am. I can.
Okay.
How quick do you need a mechanic to come out?
I mean, it's not urgent, but as soon as possible, I would think. We're off to the side, so.
You're on the side of the road?
No, we're off to the side, like in the gas station, so we're out of traffic.
Okay. I probably can be there probably around 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock? Okay, and then how does that, do you come in, we already know the problem, so do you just need to come and replace the hose? Is there a diagnostic thing? Like, what's the process?
I'll probably pull up with the part.
Okay.
It might be a little after 1 if I go get the part. If you could send me.
Okay, let me see. So there's a $100 service fee for this one. He said he can come with the part, but then he'll have to charge you for the labor and the part and all of that after the $100 service fee. He said he could come after the part.
So we can bring the part.
Yeah.
And how much is the start?
After 1 o'clock.
Yes, that's fine.
Okay, perfect. So, yeah, if you can come, we're at the beach.
Okay. Sounds good.
Okay, perfect.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
So if you are
We
waiting
buy
for the perfect
houses,
time to
cash,
seize this
or
opportunity,
term.com.
the time is now.
Are you fed up with carrying the burden of a house you can't afford? Tired of being a landlord? House needs too many repairs?
buy
Going through
houses, cash, or
foreclosure?
term.com.
Facing divorce? Income or job loss? Medical bills? Relocation? Inherited an unwanted house?
We
Tired
buy
of paying
houses,
taxes
cash,
on a
or
vacant house?
term.com.
No matter the reason, condition, or price, we buy houses as is.
We buy houses, cash, or term.com is your real estate housing consultant when you need to sell your house fast, as is condition, to a cash home buyer and get peace of mind.
Carhelpout.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic auto car repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jump start, flat tire road service, running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, automotive auction, or anywhere else, we can help you with PPI inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.